Hello. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use a fire extinguisher. All you have to do is to remember the word pass. P is for pull the safety pin. You need to pull the pin to squeeze the lever. A is for aim the nozzle. Aim the nozzle at the base of fire. S is for squeeze the lever. Squeeze the lever to release the chemical. And S is for sweep side to side. Sweep the nozzle side to side while continuously squeezing the lever. It is so easy to use a fire extinguisher. But the best way to fight fire is to prevent one from happening. Till we meet again. Bye.